Mchunu once worked at Ukhozi FM as part of SABC. So he once worked at SABC One as well, whereby he was promoting, he was presenting the traditional music, cultural music. And today, some they don't even know who's Ngizwe. They know this Ngizwe that they see on TikTok, they see on Facebook, they see on social media, doing all this. He says how he feel, and he say it as it is, calling other people with names, names that usually when you go to rural area, in a village, they use those terms, but when you are in big city, you don't use those terms. So here he waited patiently because there was other people who were interviewing Somizi. Then he waited patiently that, okay, now it's my turn, let me talk to Somizi. Somizi was like, no, not in my name, not in my name, please close the curtain, I don't want to talk to this guy. So yeah, man, this is what happened. I think Somizi is still saying Ngizwe Mchunu use sensitive words to say, the other people name badly. So yeah, man, that's what happened, I guess.